I've been trying to be stronger, hiding tears, holding on, but a voice in me saying, little one, you don't have to be alone. Every ache has a story, every wound has a name. Pain is speaking in a language, asking me to stay. I am coming home to my heart. I don't need to run anymore. I will listen, I will feel. I am restoring my heart once more. My anger, fear, and quiet guilt knock softly at my door. They are never my enemies, they are asking me